All right, back at it today. We're going to be inside the crawl space. Yay! I can hardly contain my excitement. Well, at least the dehumidifier's been running for 3 weeks now. Oh, yeah. Yep, there we go. Yep. I need to get this hose out of here, since luckily there wasn't that much water. Well, oh man, it's so fun. Where's my headlamp? All right, now we're cooking. Oh man, how I missed this. Okay, what do we got? So, I'm gonna cut underneath that plastic over there. Let's see. There's my pencil. I'm gonna cut underneath that plastic so that I could access it from the top and the bottom. And I'm gonna have to rebuild those, that subfloor over here. I need to pull that out of here. I'm gonna have to rebuild the subfloor in this area, because that is where the water was leaking up there, which obviously dry down here. But yeah, so I'll go up there, I'll cut that, I'll pull out some insulation, then we'll come back down here and start rebuilding. All right, I'm going to end it here. Next week, we're going to get into putting down the floor. I'm going to use Advantech. Then we're going to glue it as well. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.